Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Absolutely crazy movement today. I mean, yesterday on Thursday was already crazy, but today just made almost Thursday look kind of boring. But monster volume today. Great price action, so a whole lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one headed into next week. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest, absolute best going forward? That would be if the price can stay above $1.75. With that being said, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.75, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're somebody that cares about just the overall chart, well, the very straightforward way to gauge the health of the movement, that right there being defined as, quote-unquote, the movement that's taken place the past couple of days, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone has visualized that. That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.75 would be a huge sign of power, but from the grand scheme of it all, big picture, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are 100% control of the overall chart. What about areas of resistance headed in next week? Two main levels that stand out. The first level is what I would consider more so the truer level of resistance, that level being at $3. However, technically speaking, the price did actually spike up to $3.40. So that would also be a level of resistance. But my point is before you put any focus on, $3.40, the price first needs to prove itself in the near term, and quote unquote prove it itself being defined as not only getting up above the $3 mark, but then getting a break of there. And I mean, no such thing as a guarantee, but if the price can get up to get up to $3 and then give a high volume break of it, then like I said, no guarantee, but it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price get up to $3.40 and then potentially even beyond that. So we'll see what happens with it, but yeah, crazy way to close out the week. A lot of people are going to be talking about it over the weekend, so let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.